Emma and Maddie.
I'm Emma.
We all have food allergies, and so we are going to teach you how to use the EpiPen, or another way to say it is an OBQ or an auto-injector. And so, as you can see here, this is a trainer, so it's not like a real one. So you're going to take the lid off, and it's going to say some words.
This trainer contains no needle or drug and is for training purposes only. Do not use this trainer during an allergic emergency. This
So
trainer,
you're going to pull it.
place black end against outer thigh.
So there's
Then
a
push
black
firmly
thing.
until you hear a click and hiss sound and hold in place for 2 seconds.
Like I was saying, you're going to hold it in place on someone's thigh for
Place black
2
end
seconds.
against outer
So
thigh.
I'm going to
Then
demonstrate
push firmly
with my
until
sister
you hear
Emma.
a
And then,
hold in place for 2 seconds.
oh, it can only be used one time, so I'll just do it.
Push firmly until
If you use all the time, you
One.
just have to put these back.
Training complete.
Then it doesn't.
So
This trainer
it'll say training complete, and then it's
training.
good. Bye.